Now come back, you know. Now come back. That mean Bill Clinton, now come back. Fuck off, you know, that better, you know. Maybe come better this one. Walk away, heart is like a brick. Every step I take, I got it like an earthquake. Seeing at the space that don't you ever not see. Doubting in that Africa coming down with the beat. Now I come back, now I come back. Got to be a heavy, then my heavy attack. Every 1990, every week. Now they come back and then I say goodbye. On the deep stars, vibe so sweet. Now the sick are gone and them are feeling complete. Memory that they need when they come and repeat. Good and that they handle them are come and heat. Them are not the risk, but they're not trace. Rushing at the planting, now they whopping at the place. See the dream are coming, now it's a disgrace. Now I come back and there's a deal of heartbreak. Now I come back, now I come back. Count the phone up, every night it's like. Every night I never feel replay. Now I come back, I say goodbye. Now I come back, now I come back. Them I hold it them back. Choosing not to go to them, I feel decide. Now I come back and I remember not the track. If you not to see the them, I hear the track. Dancing at the rhythm that they can't feel beat. In and out the market, she not cut and not see. Set go to another house to hear the beer sign from. Every color block and hear the rhythm in a track. Now I come back, now I come back. Count the phone up every night. Every 99 I get a replay. Now they come back, say that goodbye. Now I come back. Now I come back. People them I shatter them fuck. In a rest I beat them I shatter them fuck. Now they come back and them I hit another track. I hit the disappear, I can come and at the fire car. Come and at the weather, them I come and feed a vehicle. In a disappear, them I come and at the bill. Say, in a disappear, come and at Jamaica. Once I come and stronger, now they come and feed a vehicle. Remember, trying that means, you know, I like it at the bottom of the first time I get the blog, I bet you know. Everybody them enjoying this album, you know.